Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to blur part of picture. So we have this example picture and I will blur at this card. You can go to insert, we create new shape. I will use this rectangle round corner and you can create from this point into here. The next you can go to shape styles options, click this icon and I will go into effect. Can set for the soft edge like this, and the next I will use the picture or texture field. Can click insert, click from files. I will use this texture. You can download from the Google image and click insert to be automatically insert, and you can increase or resize the picture. You also can set for transparency at this point like this, and if you're done you can click outside. So that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to blur part of picture. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.